Okay, this is a tour of the upper trench that we water by flooding down the trench. This is a black Tartarian sweet cherry tree with its accompanying guild, dill, yellow sweet clover, weeds, comfrey, lamb's quarters. And there's a dill about to flower. And of course, beautiful poppies. Those are mother of pearl. And here we have some yellow sweet clover in full flower. It's gorgeous. This is a silverleaf buffalo berry, a native berry shrub. And our first sunflower of the season is blooming. There's an Austrian pine we just put in this spring. Much more sunflowers. We're going to go down the trench. Got annuals fit in here. Peppers, tomato plants, squash and melons. That's a loofah. Of course, it does not have enough time to grow and fruit, but it's in the ground. It's a forsythia. And here is a thornless honey locust that we planted. Started from seed and planted it. Here's the yarrow flowering. Another silver buffalo berry. This is a sea of grindelia, which most people consider a weed, but I make medicine with it. It's really, really good medicine for respiratory issues. This is a Bing sweet cherry tree that we put in 4 cherry trees this spring. It's got some comfrey down there. More poppies. And these are our aronia berry bushes. There wasn't a large fruit set this year, but there's a few. And of course our giant willow tree. One of them anyway, it's the biggest one. That is at least 12 feet tall. There's a brassica I let go to flower and seed. We've got sunchokes down here. More annuals. Peppers, tomatoes. Here is a native weed called salsify. The root is edible. From what I read, the whole plant is edible, but mainly for the root. It's also called oyster plant because it tastes like oysters. There's some alfalfa. This is our little wild rose, Rosa woodsy. We got like 1 or 2 little roses on it this year. There's milkweed. This is showy milkweed. Another cherry tree. This is another black Tartarian. Holding on. And then my little tiny hollyhocks. Keep going down. Another little willow there. That was just put in this spring. Here's our elm tree. Here's another Bing cherry tree, but I don't know if this one's going to make it. It's got a few leaves and then they died. I'm still watering it and hoping. And here's more milkweed. Showy milkweed. And look, the ducks are getting their pool again. We had to take it out because they drowned one of the ducklings. So No water for them when they have babies. Here's another willow. These are all white willow. More alfalfa. This is the swale, the original swale. You can't even see it because it's so covered in vegetation. There we go. Hi, duckies. You excited to get your pool? Other willow tree. And there we go. That's a tour of our front yard Hugelkultur area. Swales, trenches. The way we water is right down there at the head. We've put the hose on and it flows all the way down this trench. All the way down. It goes off that way to water that. It goes off that way to water that. It goes over here to water this. And then we move the hose down here and it goes around and into the swale. Waters that. Please give our video a like and subscribe. Thank you.